Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to connect your Phantom Wallet to DEXScreener in 2025. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's simple process and only takes a few minutes. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have installed the official DEXScreener app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. In my case, I have already installed it, so I'll just open it up. Once you're inside the app, head over to the menu. It's located at the bottom right of your screen. Next, scroll down the tap on My Account. Here, you will see an option to sign in. Go ahead and tap that. Now choose Connect Wallet. You will be shown a list of wallet options. What we want is Phantom Wallet. If you don't see immediately, you can scroll down or use the search bar to find it. Once you tap on Phantom, it should automatically open the wallet app. A pop-up will appear asking you to approve the connection. Sometimes this pop-up might take a few seconds to appear. If it does not show up right away, just return to DEX screener and tap try again. After the approval, your Phantom wallet will be successfully connected to DEX screener. And that's it. You're now ready to explore charts, tokens, and more with your wallet linked up. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.